Alright, hello guys, welcome back to Astrobolen. So, it's a not completely clear night, but the moon's shining, so it's not going to be much of a deep sky night. We are, however, not troubled by this. We are going to do WormGearMeshing on our mount. Yeah, that's fun. First time I had it just inside, daytime, just focused on an object in the distance. And I just basically tried to adjust the backlash by only doing the two WormGearMeshing screws here, and to reduce the backlash as much as I can. So, and I noticed that if you say do the distance screw here, if you first take the limit screw, which is the small 2mm one, and you just loosen that lefty-loosey until it's, it's not restricting your motion anymore. It's just maybe completely, as much as it can, wobble. And then, just to have that picture, and then you adjust the distance screw here. That sets the spring tensioning, and you tighten that. And at some point, you're going to have it feeling a little bit tight. And what's going on then, if you feel it, it's like it's got a slight, don't know if you can see this, wobble to it. So it's like I'm pulling the motor block away from the worm ring. So that is obviously too tight then. So what I do then is that basically I'm going to loosen that back up to a point where I can no longer feel that play in the meshing. Yeah? And it's a bit like they say in the manual, it's like a 1/16 of a turn difference between quite loose and that you can no longer see it being loose like that. Well, maybe that was almost a quarter turn, but anyway, so that is like my setting. I don't want to go any tighter than that, that's absolute sure. I definitely will go looser, but that is a good starting point then. And this is still very loose, but I'll just adjust that